Hey everyone, SPC Cranford here. Down here in Avalon, New Jersey, Cape May County. Haven't been down here in a while, but we're going to catch the required weekly test
up to 15 knots, becoming
off of KHB38 on this WR120, which actually I just bought to keep down here, but that's a story I'll tell another day. And I'm going to try to see if I can get my Uniden BC125AT to go off or do something for the weekly test, because apparently if we turn it on, let's see.
With gusts up to 30 knots.
It's got an alert standby option, which I've never dealt with before, so I guess we will play with that and see what it does. So I'll leave this guy over here like that. I guess those bars mean that it's got good reception or something. And then over here, obviously, we all know what this thing does.
Spray early in the morning. Thursday night.
So yeah, okay, should happen in about 10 minutes, and we will see what happens there. All right, guys.
Warning device for station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware, out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. At 11 a.m. at Atlantic City International Airport in Avalon, it was fair. The temperature was 40 degrees. Here is the 4 miles an hour.
There you have it. So that's interesting.
Inches and falling. At the Ocean City weather flow, the air temperature was 37
So that's apparently what that sounds like.
The winds were from the west at
So
8
yeah,
knots.
there you have it.
At the
Now we're back to scanning for EMS, as you can see. Who knows what that is? But yeah, so there you have it. Interesting that that's how that works. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.